you today. We're talking about Shark Cordless Vacuum. I've used other big brand cleaners before and they've all been big, bulky, boring and dull. If you've never heard of Shark or you're thinking of buying it, then stick around. I'm going to tell you all about it. So guys, just to let you know, it's coming out in March, which is not far away. It comes with a 5-year guarantee. It's got flexible reach, which is so easy to clean under your sofas and your beds. You can store it away in your pantry easily. It's not big and bulky, and it transforms into a hand vac, which means you can clean your car or you can clean your stairs, and it makes it so much easier. Comes with 2 batteries, with 30 minutes on each of them, and it has 1 floor head for hard and soft floors, so for your carpet and your laminate. So let's take a look. Okay, so let me just go through some of the tools that it's come with. We've got a power cable, charger, and you get 2 batteries so they can be charged in here. And also you can clean like your top of your TV cabinet or your Venetian blinds. Also a crevice tool to get to those tight spaces, your skirting boards, ceilings as well. You've got a couple of them, upholstery tools there with one with a hard brush, so like your sofa, your curtains as well. So you've got a soft brush, one with a soft brush here as well. And let me just show you the other things that it comes with as well. You also get, this is for pet hair. I don't have any pets, but this is motorized. You attach this to your hand vac, which I will show you. I've used this on my stairs. It's brilliant. You can use it in your car as well. Also, now this is I'd say this is like the main sort of handle, the main part of it. It's the wand. I'm going to show you how to attach the hand vac to it, and you can attach that to the hand vac and the floor nozzles, but I will show you how to attach that. So this is the floor nozzle. And it can easily be removed. I will be showing you all this, so you know it's easy to clean as well. And this is, let me just grab that, and this is the hand vac, and you can attach this part to it, so you can clean your stairs. And I've used it and it's just been great. It's been so easy to clean, and I will show you how to use it as well. Okay, so let me show you how to put this in use and how to attach everything. Okay, so guys, it's not going to work without a battery. So first things first, get 1 battery, and it just easily slots in there. And then what you need is take your wand and we just click that in there. And what I found it so easy to put together. Everything just click, click, click. Even when you want to remove everything, you just press of a button and it just comes off. And let's just show you the floor nozzle as well. So let's just grab that, and again just clicks easily there like this. And also if you want to remove it, very simple. It's got big buttons, so it says wand release, so we would just need to click that and that would come off. So if I do want to release it, just press that down and that comes off so easily, no struggle, effortless. And then click it back in, and that's all you do. Okay, so just want to talk to you about the buttons here. Now that's the main button here, that's the power button. And also if you press this button here, it's for normal cleaning and also for max power for like more heavy duty mess. And here it's carpet and floor, so you I don't know if you can see, but they will light up once it's powered on. So one is for carpet and one is for laminate. So let's just switch that on, and the lights have come on, and we've got the carpet light here, and you can see that I have used it, so battery's gone down to 2. Okay, so let's make some mess and show you how it works. see, that was so easy to use. I'm just going to go through a few of the features with you. To clean the rollers here, all you have to do, it says access brush roll, so you can just release this by lifting these up, and that will remove, and then you can clean your rollers. It catches hair and everything really well. And I have cleaned it before, so I know how easy it was. And also, so we can just click that back on again. And also you must have seen the lights that were coming out from here, which makes it so easy to look under, you know, the sofas and your beds. So it makes it easier for you to clean. And also, if you want to fold it away, then all you need to do is just press that, and it just folds over like this. And then you can just lift it by the handle here, and it's so easy to lift, and you can store it away. So I'm just going to show you how to use it under the sofa. So as normal, we're just going to pull that down, and then we're just going to bend it as well. So we're just going to press that button here, and then also the lights will go on as well, which will come on once I press the power button. And I'm also going to set it onto the hard floor as it's laminate. So look how easily this will go in. It was so easy to get to, so you can clean underneath your beds, underneath your sofas, without any hassle. And let's switch it on. Now this is what it looks like without the floor head or the floor nozzle. And I'm just going to attach this other tool to it. So it's the Crevice Tool. So if I want to clean the skirting boards, or if I want to, like, you know, clean the webs and everything. So we've just attached that to it. So it's so easy to attach onto, and it's not heavy as well. I just wanted to mention that as well, that it's well built, but it's quite lightweight as well. So that makes it so easy for you to handle it, and so easy for you to use. Okay, so now we're just going to release the wand. So we're just going to remove that. And now this is what I call a mini hoover or mini vac. And I'm going to show you how to attach this on again. And as easy as that, we're just going to click that in there. And I'm going to show you over to the stairs, make some mess on there, and clean that up. So here we go, we've got the attachment on there. So let's switch that on. All done. So guys, I've done my vacuuming. I'm done for the day. I'm just going to empty this out. So I'm going to show you how easy that is just to clean all this mess out, and how easy it opens up. So first of all, let me just release this, and then all you do, it just says empty. So just press that button and it all just empties out. How easy was that? So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. What are your thoughts about your experience with cordless vacuums? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm going to link up all the information on the Shark Cordless Vacuum in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and for more regular content, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.